Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Welcome back. Thanks for liking this video. Appreciate that. Please subscribe as well as we build this channel up. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go to Honolulu, Hawaii today and look at this amazing property, $19.5 million. It is 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4,228 square feet. And look at the view. Honolulu here, it is magnificent view there. Exceptional home. There we have it. Some amazing light fixtures, beautiful artworks on the wall, lovely furnishings, but the view is what it's all about. These high ceiling windows as well. As we look around, nice cabinet there and TV on the wall, but look at the view from the wide view. You see the full beach view there, and then a walk through into a study area with views as well. Imagine working from that office. Be fantastic, wouldn't it? Looking out there, enjoying the view, Louis Vuitton book there, and a massive TV on the left as well. And then look at this staircase. It is simply tremendous. Look at that. Timber all the way up to the top. Fantastic multi-level property indeed. And loving the lounge, dining area as well, and this beautiful kitchen with island there. And then we see the landing up top, which is rather exceptional. So what a beauty. Imagine this, Honolulu, you're relaxing, enjoying the weather, and this luxurious pad. We've got a wine fridge here too, a bar and basin there. But the staircase does it all. It really sets off the home, doesn't it? There's that kitchen, quite a lot of cabinetry there. A lot of storage, this lacquered finish. A small breakfast bar, but stone top going all the way down the side as well. Downlights look pretty good, but the view takes it away and does in the bedroom too. Look at that view out there. Love the headboard there. Lots of texture in this. And just imagine it, you're heading down the beach and then you head back home and you think, what a wonderful house we live in, or a wonderful apartment we live in, for sure. $19.5 million, beautiful bathroom, double basins, lots of spaces for places here for towels and more. Love the glass frosted door on the WC, and then the shower to our right. Into the bathroom, seeing an amazing bath with almost an eggshell style bath, and this exceptional wall finishings as well, and the lovely tapware too, so looking pretty good. Into another sitting area, we've got sound baffles here for this movie theater type experience. Another fridge there and storage as well, but love this staircase. That is part of my favorite here, because in an apartment you don't usually see a timber colored staircase like that. Lovely chandelier on the landing too. Views out, look at that, just extraordinary views over the beach. Fantastic. Into another bedroom, enjoying the artwork there too, and this quite unique headboard. Imagine that, waking up in the morning, views out, just incredible. Head off to the beach or the local pool downstairs, and loving this dark tapware here, almost black, and then into the shower, massive glass door, lots of fittings in there, and quite nice indeed. Another view, but this time from the back, and views to the hills, but looking pretty nice as well. Into that supporting bathroom, and then into another bedroom here. Love the headboard feature here with the timber. Views out to the rear as well, bookshelf to our left, and then onto a roof terrace. And why not? Why not enjoy your roof terrace dining area? Love the high wall there with glass, and then this beautiful lounged area with umbrella over the top, a high quality one too. And why not have a beautiful pool as well, and jacuzzi? Isn't this fabulous? It is barbecue area as well. It is your hideaway on the penthouse. It is the hideaway looking over the beautiful Honolulu, and what a position it is. Look at that. There we go. Fantastic. Above everyone else. Love this up here too. It really is fantastic. Would we like to tour that home? Of course we would. There it is. Fantastic. $19.5 million, 4 bed, 6 bath, 4,228 square feet. It is fabulous. 25-foot ceilings and more. Let's finish on a nice picture here, and that one will do because it's a great view. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for subscribing and liking. Please put a comment if you wish, and we'd love to chat with you, and we'll catch you on the next show as we look at properties here and around the world each week. I'm Jason Keeler. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.